Hi there everybody, on today's video I have this BMW E46. This is a 2003 and we're just gonna have a quick look at the location of the fuse box. Now if you go into the passenger side, and you have the glove box here, open the glove box. I got the manual there, but this car is an import, so the manuals won't be of much use, but because everything will be in Japanese. But if you look down here, you will find these two little like white clips. So there's one there and there's another one here. Just turn those and the fuse box will come down, and you will have the card here. This card basically shows you the fuses, the location of the fuses, and also shows you tells you what fuse is for what. So if you're looking for any particular fuse as such, they're numbered up here like so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. And then you have the amperes, and then it tells you what ampere they're supposed to be: 5 amps, 7.5, and that just continues to this side. So fuse number 16, 17, 18 and so on, they go along like so, like this. Now if you look at the box itself, you can also see that the fuses have the little numbers. Like that there is fuse, it's a bit difficult to see, but 38, 39, 40, 41, and that will equate to 38, 39, 40, 41 and so on, because that fuse box goes from top to bottom. And there's two rows. This is one of the rows up here, and that's the second row. So for example, if you were looking for any particular fuse, such as say the radio here, we have the radio there, fuse number 7 and fuse number 41. Number 7 and 41. So number 7 is that one there. That will be 5 amps, and 41 will be 30 amp fuse. So if you look at the fuses here, if you push this box down a little bit, you can see the numbers up there. So fuse number 7 here, in this case, is this 20 amp fuse. I'm not entirely sure why there is a 20 amp fuse in this particular box, but according to the little card, it should be 5 amps. And then fuse number 41, which is that one there, is a 30 amp fuse, which is what the card says anyway. So that's pretty much it. That's where the fuses are, and that's how you can basically find them. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.